Ready, set, go. Hey yo guys, what's up? So today I'm gonna be doing a bike review since it is icy outside and it is freaking cold. So yeah. So here's my brother's GT Racing. Pretty nice, but we're gonna do that review after mine. So yeah, so show them our 8-inch ramp.
This is our 8-inch ramp. It has a 2x6 in the front it's just basically a slope. Pretty cool, but it's also very time consuming. This is actually where I hurt my arm on, but hopefully I should be back pretty soon, guys. And hopefully it's not this icy soon and it's not this cold.
Yeah, I should be able to post. Sorry, I have to post Saturday and Sunday. I'm so sorry, guys. It's just that I can't record at my friend's house, and that's where I want to be. So, anyway, here's my SC Wildman Racing. This bike is freaking mint. We have the UBI grips. I'm getting gloves for it because, well, they kind of blister your hands whenever you're trying to pull apart on the wheelies. And, well, they just... And yeah, and it's really cold out. So we have the nice white frame, maybe a little dirty. I've been riding it, not gonna lie. We have the comfortable SEC. I have not done anything to it yet. For Christmas, I'm getting a GoPro. For my birthday, I'm getting a GoPro and a helmet. Put it on my face. It's not on my face. Is it on my face?
Yes.
Anyway, so for my birthday, I'm going to be getting a helmet and a GoPro, and, well, I'm going to be ripping fat wheels around Newtown. And that's going to be freaking awesome because, well, it just is. And, yeah. And we also got the red thingy pedals. And I think these are... Hold on, let me record that. They are... inch-overs. And that is a car, so yeah. And we are going to be showing you his bike now. Okay, so Gunnar, your turn.
Okay, if you guys follow me down here.
Yeah, it's really cold out here. It's like 14 degrees.
I've done absolutely nothing to bike, and neither did the dude before us because this is a 2001 GT Interceptor. The only thing we've ever changed was the wheels.
What kind of wheels are they?
I'm actually not sure.
Tell them what inch they are.
They're 20-inch wheels, and I have a 20-inch frame. And this is the original GT Racing, but a seat with the same grips it came with.
Yeah, but he's either gonna get the black UBIs or the
blue UBIs.
He's either gonna get the blue UBIs or the black UBIs. He's not sure yet. He likes to he tries to stick with the color frame. He's not gonna go all out and get like pink grips or whatever. But yeah, so.
In my next bike, I hope I'm getting a kink or an SE because those, or another GT hopefully. But yeah, the color scheme is pretty good. I might get some yellow pedals, maybe, probably not.
Yellow
Pedals, yeah.
That'd be good. That would go barely with the bike, and that would make it. Anyway, guys. So yeah, so it's really cold out here, 14 degrees. It's icy out. It's
fall still. It's November.
He has barely any rust on his bike. I have no rust on my bike, and yeah, and we're not. Yeah, and it's fall, and it feels like it's winter. And yeah. So if you're planning on moving to Missouri and you want warm weather, don't move here. Just saying. Anyway, so that's going to wrap up this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.